Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC Coupe. This one's a cell night gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG package with the AMG exterior and interior appearance, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, front and rear LED daytime running lights, diamond style grille, leather package with cranberry red leather interior with a natural grain oak wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate. Clean set of AMG floor mats, all season and regular. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 33,981 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC Coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.